Welcome to 18th Century Cooking. I'm your host, John Townsend. Today we'll be cooking something that's very common today, but with a special 18th century twist, fried potatoes. Thank you for coming along as we savor the flavors and the aromas of the 18th century. So the recipe today is from the English Art of Cookery, Richard Briggs, 1788. I read through tons of cookbooks, looking at thousands of recipes, and some recipes I just skip right over because they're probably too simplistic or too complicated. And this one I've probably skipped over many times. I thought, fried potatoes, how tough can that be? It's just called to fry potatoes. But then I read it through and said, well, wait a minute, this has got a wonderful twist. So let's get started on this recipe. So first step is let's peel some potatoes, as many potatoes as we need. Now we need to slice our potatoes. The directions are specifically to the size of a crown piece, which is similar to today's silver dollar. So you're going to have silver dollar size little pieces of sliced potato. Now that we've got these sliced up, these get breaded. So this is definitely different than the way I would normally fry potatoes. I'd just toss them wholesale into the pan, right? But these get individually breaded in plain flour. That's it. Now that these are all breaded, let's take them over to the fire. Okay, here they are. I'm not sure if I'm ready for this. So this is nothing like fried potatoes like I'm used to. Lots of fried potatoes in a pan, salt. Because the super twist with this is this. Over the top of this goes a pudding sauce, basically. It's sack, it's sugar, it's butter in equal quantities and poured over the top. That's in the recipe, or you could just do it with just butter, right? But I wanted to do this one for the fun of it. And breaded and fried individually, browned on both sides, they're a lot more like giant thick potato chips than they are fried potatoes like we might be used to. And then we pour pudding sauce over the top. This has got to be incredible. So let's find out. Wow, what is this? I'm not even sure how I would describe this. A dessert potato chip? They're not fried enough to be super crispy. They're browned on both sides. So they're almost like little pancakes, maybe. I could eat these all day. They're incredible. I have no connection. I have no way of connecting this to a modern food that we eat today. Not fried potatoes in the least. Amazing flavors. And pudding sauce goes well on just about anything. So, wow, I'm so glad that I stopped in the cookbook and tried this one out. This is a great recipe. I hope you get a chance to try it. If you're interested in another recipe like this, check out this one.